let's check it out. Oh, please don't be broken. Whoa.
Hi, I'm Becca, your new phone.
Cool, you're my new phone.
Yep, what would you like to do?
So much cool stuff, let's go.
All right, I'm Matt here.
I want to take some selfies for my story.
Okay, let me set you up.
Whoa, cool.
All right, let's shoot some selfies. Wow, Lily, you're looking great.
Nice. These photos are cool, but I want something fun.
Okay, let's try some face filters.
Oh, what do you have?
We have clown hair.
Oh, silly, but not me.
How about punk rock?
Punk rock? No way.
Maybe bug face?
Do it. Phew, can we just keep it simple?
All right, duck face time.
Ooh, yeah. Time to send an email.
Sending it now.
There you are.
Here's your mail.
Nice.
Wait, you have more mail.
Okay, bring them to me.
All right.
What is all this?
It's junk mail, and there's more where that came from.
Becca, delete junk.
Okay.
Now I can read my mail. Huh? Mail delivery failed? What happened?
Oh, I forgot to tell you. You misspelled the email address.
I gotta write another one. Oh, my new package came. It's too heavy. I need to work out.
I can help you with that.
How will you do that?
By tracking your exercise and heart rate, I can help you achieve your goals.
Cool, let's do it.
All right, I'll be down the stairs 20 times.
Do I have to?
Go. 18, 19, 20. Good job. You just did 1,000 steps and burned 400 calories.
Really?
Okay, take a rest.
Okay, let's go.
Push-up time.
1, 2.
Come on, get up. You can do better than that. Come on, Lily, you can do it.
You did it! Becca, I want to text Max.
Okay, what would you like to say?
Hey Max, let's hang out later.
Okay, sending. Message delivered.
Ooh, I hope he says yes.
Max is typing. Max is typing.
What happened?
Okay, yeah.
Max is typing. Max says, sure, that sounds like fun. Would you like to reply?
Yay! Tell Max I can't wait. Heart emoji, send.
Message delivered. Message not read.
Not read? What is he doing? Becca, type in angry.
Max is typing. Max is typing. Max sent a GIF.
That's it?
Yeah, what do you want to do?
Just send him a thumbs up back.
Okay, sending.
I'm hungry. Let's find some food.
Okay, searching for.
Huh? Becca? Oh no, her battery's empty. I need the wireless charging pad. There, time to charge. Just gotta get you on the center of the pad. Right there. Finally. Now I just gotta wait.
I'm charged now, Lily. Let's go find that food. Lily?
Becca, it's nighttime. Just let me go to sleep.
Oh, sorry.
Whoa! Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Shopping spree!
Wow, you got so much cool stuff.
Yeah, let's go pay. Here you go.
Oh, okay. One game system, a camera, and a popcorn machine. That'll be $5,000.
Okay. Oh
Lily.
I forgot my wallet.
No need to fear. Super wallet is here.
Oh yeah, my phone wallet. What do I have in there?
Credit card, debit card, and Super Cash, which you can send to anyone via text.
Cool. Do you guys accept Super Wallet?
We sure do. Just tap here. Oh, transaction complete. Thank you for your purchase.
Thanks.
Have a nice day.
I think Max is here. Let's go. I hope he's cool.
Hey Lily, you ready for a date?
Yeah, come in.
What should we do?
How about a game?
Okay, what kind of game?
The game is Jenga.
Oh, I love that game.
All right, Lily, your turn.
Okay. Let's try this one.
Yes, I won!
Becca, why'd you do that?
Oh, I'm sorry. I have something really important to tell you.
What? What is it?
You can save a lot of money by switching insurance.
Becca, that's junk mail.
Sorry.
This date's really nice.
Thanks, but I feel like we're missing something.
I know. How about some music?
Yeah, but let's put it on a speaker to make it sound better.
Okay.
Interfacing with Bluetooth.
I hope it works.
It's taking a while.
Yeah, I don't know if it's working.
Bluetooth connected.
Cool, what should we play?
Oh, how about some rock?
Nah, how about some hip hop? Maybe not.
How about some dance music?
Dance music? I can do that.
Yeah!
Whoa! That is so nice!
It sure is.
Oh, I'm a food vendor! Hola, prueben la comida que vendo. What kind of food do you have?
No entiendo, pero tengo pescado, arroz y totopos.
Oh no, I don't know what she's saying!
I can translate.
Tengo pescado, arroz y totopos.
Oh, she's saying she has rice, fish, and chips.
Oh, can I have the chips?
Totopos, por favor.
Por supuesto. Aquí tienen.
Thank you. Gracias.
De nada. Comida, vendo comida.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.